In a world where water bodies struggled under the burden of human pollution, there arose a pressing need for a solution to combat the growing crisis. Nutrient runoff from agricultural fields, industrial waste, and urban centers were turning pristine lakes and rivers into murky, algae-filled cesspools. Traditional methods of water remediation proved insufficient, prompting scientists and conservationists to embark on a groundbreaking project known as Aquaread. Deep within research laboratories, a team of brilliant minds gathered to find a way to rejuvenate these polluted waters. They scoured the natural world for aquatic plants with exceptional nutrient uptake abilities. After painstaking research, they identified several promising species that could serve as the foundation for their ambitious project. Armed with this knowledge, the team ventured into the realm of genetic engineering. They meticulously modified the plant's genetic makeup, enhancing their ability to absorb nutrients from the water. The ultimate goal was to create a bioengineered aquatic plant that could efficiently filter out excess nitrogen and phosphorus, the main culprits behind water pollution. After countless hours of toil, the first batch of bioengineered plants was ready for testing. In carefully controlled environments, scientists observed with awe as these plants voraciously absorbed nutrients from the water, like guardians of aquatic purity. Excitement grew as the initial results proved promising, but the researchers knew that true success would only be achieved when these plants thrived in the real world. Thus, the time came for field trials. In carefully selected water bodies across various locations, the bioengineered plants were released. Eager eyes watched as they gracefully swayed with the current, silently doing their vital work. Day after day, the water transformed, the murkiness giving way to newfound clarity. Harmful algal blooms began to retreat, as if nature had found its much-needed ally. The field trials not only showcased the plant's ability to cleanse water but also their adaptability to diverse environments. They were resilient, withstanding the elements and forming symbiotic relationships with existing aquatic life. Mother Nature seemed to embrace these bioengineered wonders with open arms. With the successful scaling up of production, Aquaread made its way into the forefront of the battle against water pollution. Word spread like wildfire, and countries around the globe sought to implement this eco-friendly solution in their troubled waters. Ecosystems were revitalized, fish and aquatic species rebounded, and the once dying waters teemed with life again. Beyond their impressive capabilities, Aquaread's triumph lay in its sustainable nature. Unlike costly and often damaging chemical treatments, these bioengineered plants offered an organic alternative, an equilibrium between humanity and nature. They were a testament to the power of human ingenuity working in harmony with the natural world. And so, in the tale of Aquaread, humans found hope amidst the dark waters of pollution. Their dedication and perseverance created a legacy that would endure for generations, a legacy that reminded them that they were not just the stewards of the earth but also its humble beneficiaries. As the bioengineered plants continued their noble task, the world's waters glimmered with gratitude, a tribute to the triumph of science, compassion, and the boundless beauty of life's interwoven tapestry.